Hi guys, my name is Arina. So today I'm going to show you how to make a lighting with luminous effect. So first, we're going to design one one circle shape to your mirror. Currently, I'm in Shielding Custom. So double click to your wall, and then we use circular to make a circle shape. So here I'm going to use line 30. And then I'm going to put bulk to this circle shape as for 100. Enter. Okay, so here on the 3D view, you can see the shielding that I've made have come out from the wall. Alright, so I'm going to make another circle to this center. So here I'm going to use offset. So I'm going to use 215. 215, and this area I'm going to use another 210. Enter. So this is the function where I want to make an indication for my luminous light. So I'm going to take a straight line from here to here. Okay, and I'm going to delete this area, so I'm not going to use this line. Okay, so this is our luminous lighting letter. Alright, so first here I'm going to put the material as for mirror. This one is letter, but this one I'm going to use luminous light, but I want to upload on my own lighting. I'm going to click complete. Okay, so I have the shape that I've made. So this one I'm going to put the material. I'm going to put in my store library, where I go to my store library, go to your login page and go to workbench. Go to product material and go to material management. I'm going to use store material and upload it to my texture. Create material. So here I'm going to upload one texture. Okay, this one I'll start it for new material, test material, and put it as for self-luminous, this one, self-luminous. Okay, so I upload one of my texture, which is a white color. Okay, so I'm going to put it as for white lighting, the name of it, and the category I'm going to put as for my category lah, which is the finishing. So I click release, confirm. Right, so by mean I have put my lighting. So go back to my AiHouse design, where I go to my store library. So this is the lighting. I drag to this, I double click and drag it to this area. So you can see there's lighting to my texture, to this area, white lighting. Okay, and then to put mirror for this area, to put it as for mirror, you can go to texture. Under the library, go to texture and then take glass and search for mirror. Okay, this one mirror, I just put it and put it to this area. So I can render directly and the result will be like this. So you will have luminous light on your own texture. So that's all from me. Thank you.